Hey, fifth graders. In this episode, we're going to be dividing fractions by whole numbers. It's episode 5 of our playlist on fraction operations review. And as usual, we'll start out with a song.
Sat down at a pizzeria and shared one half of a pizza. One half divided by 4 is 1/8. That's the amount of the pizza each of them ate. Draw one whole pizza and then the fraction divided by the whole number and find the quotient. Draw one whole pizza and then the fraction divided by the whole number and find the quotient. Two friends were riding in the back of a car, shared a third of a candy bar. 1/3 divided by 2 is 1/6. They ate the 1/6 of the Twix. Draw one whole candy bar and then the fraction divided by the whole number and find the quotient. Draw one whole candy bar and then the fraction divided by the whole number and find the quotient.
Okay, so dividing fractions by whole numbers. Here's a quick mini lesson about that skill, and this one, like some of the others, has some of those checks for understanding as we go. So we'll be stopping, doing a little multiple choice questions as we go to make sure and check how we're doing along the way. All right, check this one out.
Dividing fractions by whole numbers.
Have fun.
To understand what's happening when we divide a fraction by a whole number, let's look at the problem 1/2 divided by 6. To make this problem easier to visualize, imagine a half-eaten cherry pie. When we divide 1/2 by 6, it's like asking how much of the whole pie each person will get if we divide half of the pie into 6 equal parts. Now, if the half contains 6 equal parts, how many equal parts are there in the whole pie?
So, how many do you think would be in the whole pie if there's 6 on this side, and there would be the same amount on that side? So, yeah, we're looking at 12 pieces for the whole pie.
You know 2 halves make a whole, so just double the number of slices to get 12. So, how much of the whole pie will each of the 6 people get?
What do you think? Let's see.
Each person will get 1 of the 12 original slices, or 1/12 of the whole cherry pie. Now, let's look at how the same problem works as a mathematical equation. Just like with whole numbers, when you divide a fraction, the divisor splits the dividend into smaller parts. But it can be tricky to see how to perform division on a fraction. So instead, multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. But what is the reciprocal of a whole number? Remember that a whole number is the same as that number over 1. From here, just flip the fraction to get the reciprocal. This trick works because multiplication and division are inverse operations.
What makes sense to you?
Then, simply multiply across the numerator and denominator.
Well, we learned this one last time, right?
And simplify, if necessary, to find the result.
Okay. Let's try this one together. 1/6 divided by 3. Let's use the reciprocal. Let's do 1/6 times 1/3. And what do we get? 1/18, or 1/18. All right, fifth graders. We'll see you later.